If you're a professional driver, capturing every moment on the road matters. The best dash cam for semi-trucks ensures reliable video recording, clear footage, and added security for long hauls. Let's explore the top options built for big rigs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a highly capable dash cam purpose-built for drivers who need comprehensive, high-quality video coverage. It features an ultra-clear 4K front camera and multiple recording options to capture front, rear, and cabin views simultaneously. This flexibility is perfect for semi-truck drivers looking for reliable evidence during long hauls. One of its most impressive features is its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which transfers large video files at lightning-fast speeds, up to 800 megabytes in 10 seconds, far exceeding the performance of traditional 2.4 GHz connections. With built-in GPS, the M550 Pro accurately logs speed, route, and location viewable via AZDOME GPS player. This ensures all vital data is on record if an accident or dispute occurs. Nighttime driving is also well covered, thanks to infrared night vision supported by a Novatech 8629G processor and advanced sensors, delivering clear images even in complete darkness. The package includes a backup camera, mini USB cable, car charger, static stickers, hiding clips, wire trim tool, user manual, and a 64GB TF card for immediate use. Its overall blend of 4K clarity, high-speed wireless transfer, GPS logging, and night vision makes it one of the best dash cams for semi-trucks, offering excellent value and peace of mind on the road. Number 2. K2 Pro 11.3-inch Car DVR. The K2 Pro 11.3-inch Car DVR stands out with its large, ultra-wide 10.26-inch touchscreen, providing a crisp, real-time view of the road. Its front 4K 2160p camera, paired with a 1080p rear camera when opting for the dual lens version, captures sharp, detailed footage, making it easy to identify license plates, signs, and road hazards. The widescreen displays images smoothly, enhanced by WDR technology and automatic brightness adjustment, offering a clear, steady stream of visuals under all lighting conditions. It supports simultaneous one-to-one display of both front and rear feeds, ensuring truck drivers always have a full view of their surroundings. GPS tracking is available and connected to the GPS module, sold separately, displaying speed, coordinates, and route details during playback. This function is crucial for semi-truck drivers who need precise documentation of their routes and speeds for records or incident reporting. The playback interface is user-friendly, showing driving paths and speeds in detail. Its straightforward installation and responsive touchscreen controls make it easy to operate even on the go. With its combination of 4K resolution, intuitive display, and optional GPS tracking, the K2 Pro 11.3-inch Car DVR is a smart and practical investment for semi-truck drivers seeking reliable, high-definition road monitoring. Number 3. AZDOME M300S 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME M300S 4K Dash Cam offers a premium recording experience for drivers who prioritize sharp, reliable video quality. Its front 4K 3840 by 2160p and rear 1080p cameras provide clear, high-definition footage, ideal for documenting road incidents or traffic violations. Built-in GPS accurately records speed, location, and driving routes, which can be viewed using the AZDOME GPS player, offering vital evidence in case of accidents. The M300S also features advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for high-speed video transmission and remote viewing through the AZDOME app. This ensures seamless real-time access and easy file downloads without removing the SD card. One of the most convenient features is the voice control function, allowing drivers to issue hands-free commands like take picture or lock the video, helping them stay focused on the road. With its f1.8 aperture, both the front and rear cameras perform impressively in low-light conditions, delivering bright, detailed footage even during nighttime drives. The M300S is especially valuable for semi-truck drivers who need dual camera coverage and enhanced security on long routes. Easy installation and a compact design round out its advantages, making the M300S 4K Dash Cam an excellent, efficient, and dependable choice for professional drivers. Number 4. AZDOME Dash Cam 24H 4K. The AZDOME Dash Cam 24H 4K is an outstanding option for truckers looking for complete around-the-clock monitoring. Its 4K front camera captures ultra-high-definition footage, while the 1080p rear camera ensures total road coverage. Built-in 5.8G Wi-Fi enables fast video streaming and downloading via the AZDOME app, allowing users to access footage immediately from their smartphones. Integrated GPS functionality records driving routes, speed, and locations viewable through the AZDOME GPS player for detailed playback and route analysis.
The included 64GB micro SD card means this dash cam is ready to use straight out of the box. The 24-hour parking monitor automatically records incidents when the vehicle is stationary, locking the video if a collision is detected to prevent overriding. Combined with seamless loop recording and reliable dual camera functionality, the AZDOME 24H 4-key dash cam is one of the best dash cams for semi-trucks, offering comprehensive non-stop protection. Number 5. Baseus 3K Dash Cam VD1. The Baseus 3K Dash Cam VD1 offers a perfect balance of advanced features, durability, and smart design, ideal for semi-truck drivers. Its 3K resolution, 2880 by 1620p, delivers footage that's 3 times sharper than the standard 1080p, ensuring license plates, traffic signs, and crinkle details are captured with clarity. The 140-degree wide-angle lens, adjustable by 30 degrees, provides broad lane coverage and reduces blind spots, which is vital for big rigs. Built with a reliable supercapacitor power system, it's more durable and heat-resistant than typical lithium batteries, making it safe for extended use in tough driving conditions. Enhanced night vision comes courtesy of a large f.1.5 aperture and a blue IR cut filter, ensuring bright glare-free images even in dark conditions, essential for nighttime hauls. Combined with seamless loop recording and reliable dual camera functionality, the Baseus VD1 is a standout choice for drivers wanting reliable, smart, and sharp dash cam performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.